Now, more than ever, our students need us. They need social-emotional learning and support for mental health. They need instruction that is rigorous and engaging. Our students need relationships. They need to feel seen and heard and represented. And our families need us as partners. And our teachers, they need support and resources that will help them reach every kid. We can do this. We can be the difference in our communities, and we can do it best if we do it together. The CAREI District Assembly is one of the best, most affordable ways to stay connected to current research, access a deep pool of resources, and connect with other districts in your efforts towards student success. Here at CAREI, we strive to be the premier network hub that builds educators' database decision-making capacity through high-quality technical assistance, professional learning, and program evaluation and education. Led by Dr. Kim Gibbons and her experience as an educator, administrator, researcher, and author, the CAREI team offers deep knowledge and expertise to serve the needs of districts of all kinds. By becoming a member of the CAREI District Assembly, your district gains access to a wide array of resources and opportunities that include 4 district assembly meetings with the theme Now More Than Ever. This year, we will continue to provide practical content and facilitate rich discussions on a range of member-driven topics. Our plan is to address issues that will assist your district in implementing and strengthening evidence-based instruction within an MTSS framework with a continued focus on equitable access for every student you serve. Tools and resources that include policy briefs, implementation inventories and checklists, data protocols, practice guides, and so much more. Our monthly Research Watch electronic newsletter. Each issue highlights a summary of research studies published that will be of interest to you as a district leader. Topical areas include leadership, social-emotional learning, teaching and learning, assessment, and unique learners. Our members-only section of the CAREI website that includes valuable resources such as research briefs, our Minnesota Student Survey dashboard, and much more. And a 25% discount on CAREI professional learning opportunities and other CAREI services. All this is available for the price of sending just 1 or 2 staff members to a single professional conference. Now, more than ever, we recognize the difficulty of staying on top of new research, initiatives, and practices in education. At CAREI, we are committed to offering you the resources and guidance necessary to meet the needs of your students and answer the call of education under any circumstances you may face. Consider becoming a member of the CAREI District Assembly today.